Maple Brook Terrace in Malden is one of the first to enroll in the CDC program. 7 News' Melanie Palmer has the details.
Retirement communities like this, along with nursing homes, anticipating approval of a COVID-19 vaccine. They're working on a plan now for when that day does come. This is the place Susie Smith has called home for the last couple of months.
It has just been a breath of fresh air for me, because at least I can see people.
She spent the first part of the pandemic at home, living a much more isolated and lonely life. She hasn't seen her family since last Christmas, but now she says there's hope on the horizon.
I will be first in line to take it when it's available. I promise you that.
She's talking about a COVID-19 vaccine, one that the executive director there tells us they're on the list to get when it does become available.
We are one of the first properties, one of the first companies to sign up for this vaccination program. So when it's available, our residents and staff will have access to that vaccine.
We would roll this out to people who need it the most.
This very topic is where Dr. Bindu Mai's passion lies. She knows a lot about the research that has gone into the 2 COVID-19 vaccines that are showing promising results.
Good news about last week, the good news on the vaccine front was with the Pfizer vaccine, which shows about 90% efficacy. The Moderna vaccine, which was the best news this morning, is 94.5% effective.
The next step, Dr. Mai tells us, FDA approval for emergency use.
I imagine by spring or early spring, all of us should also have access to it.
Meanwhile, Smith is holding out hope she will be able to see her family again soon, if not for the holidays, a short time after.
At least my circle will widen and I can get out to see my family. I hoped for Christmas. I don't know that it's going to happen.
Fortunately, here at Maple Brook Terrace, they've had 0 cases of COVID-19 so far. They say that's because their focus is prevention, and that's where this vaccine comes into play. In Malden, Melanie Palmer, 7 News.